Do you ever feel like your muscles aren't as strong as they used to be? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder, or carrying groceries leaves you more tired than before. You're not alone. On the good news is, you can regain strength and energy at any age. In today's video, we're diving into simple, effective ways to fight muscle weakness after 60. Backed by science and easy enough for anyone to start today. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia, according to Harvard Health and the Mayo Clinic. Adults can lose up to 3 to 5% of muscle each decade after 30, and the rate speeds up after 60. This can affect balance, mobility, and independence. But here's the encouraging part. Just a few small changes can slow or even reverse this loss. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment, just the right steps at the right time. First, let's talk about food. Your muscles need fuel to grow strong, and the best place to start is with protein. Seniors should aim for around 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day, according to the National Institute on Aging. Great options include eggs, Greek yogurt, lean chicken, beans, and even plant-based sources like tofu or lentils. Vitamin D and calcium are also key players, especially if you want to stay active and avoid falls. The Cleveland Clinic recommends vitamin D supplements for those over 60, especially during the winter months or if you don't get much sun. Pair that with calcium-rich foods like low-fat, dairy, kale, or almonds, and you're building a strong foundation. Now let's get moving. You don't have to run a marathon to rebuild muscle. Just 20 minutes a day of the right exercises can make a huge difference. Start with simple chair squats, leg lifts, or light resistance band movements. These help activate large muscle groups safely. Walking is also one of the best low-impact ways to strengthen your legs and improve balance. If you can, try walking 15 to 30 minutes a day. Start slow and build up gradually. According to the CDC, consistent light to moderate exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of falls, boost mood, and even improve memory. The biggest challenge isn't knowing what to do, it's sticking with it. That's why it's so important to celebrate small wins. Maybe today you walked a little farther or tried a new stretch. That matters. Every step you take adds up, and your body will respond. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Find a walking buddy, join a local senior fitness class, or even follow along with videos like this one. Support makes all the difference. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more weekly health tips tailored for seniors. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these exercises? What's worked for you when it comes to staying strong and healthy? Drop your experience in the comments. We read every one. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or loved one who might need a little encouragement today. Staying active and independent after 60 is completely possible. You're already on the right track just by watching this. Stay strong, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next video.